Hi, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings. Today I am going to show you how to make these adorable hot cocoa mugs with just a few supplies from the dollar store. All you need is a white ceramic mug and Sharpies in a couple different colors. Head to your local dollar store, you should be able to pick these up. If not, there's links in the description of this video and you can buy them online. So grab your white ceramic mug, couple Sharpies, and follow this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make these. These are cute little mugs to enjoy your morning coffee in the morning, or have some hot cocoa when you come in from the snow. Keep in mind, because this is a very simple, straightforward tutorial, these mugs are not dishwasher safe. I'm going to link to some videos at the end of this that you can check out some other techniques for mugs that are much more durable and a little more dishwasher safe. So grab your mug, your Sharpie, and follow this tutorial. If you are inspired to make a couple mugs of your own, be sure to follow this tutorial, but check out these other videos for more mugs that you can make, use for your morning coffee, some hot cocoa, or you can give as gifts. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know below and subscribe for more simple, inspiring projects. Thanks for watching.